Friday has been an uneventful and calm day in the market. Thus, market players who took a break from trading and went on summer vacation have nothing to worry about. Optimism observed in the market recently is keeping the quote at the current levels. Today, there will be no market-moving events. Traders have already factored in all the important ones. Record after record, stock indexes rise to a new all-time high day after day. However, the situation gets riskier every time the market does so. Yesterday, stock reached another historic high. The S&P 500 index is currently trading at 4,460 points, and it's expected to trade in the 4,400 and 4,480 points price range. In fact, such a negative factor as the US inflation rate for July, unchanged from the previous months, didn't affect bullish sentiment. As for the US dollar index, a correction is about to begin amid a bullish stock market. The reading has reached 92 and 80 points and is expected to trade in the 92 and 60 and 93 and 20 range. Importantly, the greenback was affected by US inflation results and received no support from the Fed. That's why analysts consider the possibility of a pullback and consolidation of USD. In fact, there are some signs on the chart that confirm their assumptions. However, this is likely to be a temporary event. The US dollar is still unable to assert strength against the loonie even despite a prolonged decline in oil prices. So, at yesterday's session, the pair reached the level of 1.2520. Given the precarious position of the US dollar and the corrective movement of oil prices, the USD CAD pair is expected to remain within the range of 1.2480 and 1.2560. Meanwhile, the chart clearly shows Bitcoin's attempts to rise higher and hit the target level of $50,000. Yesterday, the quotes began to decline. Traders slightly panicked that the cryptocurrency market was sinking again, but it was only a small corrective movement. Now, Bitcoin is trading again at $46,000. Judging by the forecasts and technical analysis, the price may climb to $47,000 or $48,000 in the near future. Overall, no significant events are expected during the New York session today. Before the weekend, trading is likely to unfold sluggishly and the turnover may be low. So far, investors have studied all the necessary reports and the market is calm before the probable coming storms. As we know, markets rarely remain still for a long time. This is why it's time to rest a bit. Next week, we will start monitoring the important market news with a renewed vigor. And that's all for today. We keep monitoring the financial market situation. Subscribe to our channel and see you on Monday and have a nice weekend.